Hello, guys, welcome to your very own channel, The Techie Traveler. Hey guys, today we are going to unbox Kadence Wonder Series 15 fret ukulele. Let's open the box first and then we will move on to the specification. Let's get the tapes. Okay, inside the box first we can see is an extended warranty card here, and here is one ukulele string tuner. This is a clipper version one and have a cell with it. Okay, and the display is digital here. Cool. Let's put them back and open the next box inside. Okay, we have a ukulele bag also here. Let's move ahead and open our actual product. Here it is. The first look of this ukulele is amazing, right guys? The body is made up with a mahogany wood. Thankfully there are no scratches I can see on the body. Well packed. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to get the future notification and don't forget to press the bell icon. It has nicely fitted nylon strings. Just hear the sound. This is untuned as of now, yet sounds good, right? And the headstock also looks good and have good quality tuners also. Beautiful. The nylon string quality is also good, and yeah, they are well fitted with the bridge also. See the finishing, it's nice. So altogether I would say a very good buy for the beginners, so let's just go for it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is Raj signing off for today.